In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Acuity scheduling in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just looking for a streamlined way to manage your time, Acuity scheduling can be a brilliant solution. Let's go through the steps on how you can set this up and manage your appointments with ease. First things first, navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all your scheduling magic begins. As you arrive on the site, look around. It's user-friendly, straightforward, and designed to make your scheduling process as seamless as possible. Once you're there, your next move is to log in. You'll find the login button possibly at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you closer to organizing your schedule efficiently. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's essential that you use the email associated with your Acuity account to avoid any hiccups along the way. After typing in your email, you'll notice the next button. Clicking on this will move you forward in the login process. It's simple steps like these that make Acuity user-friendly. Now, for a quick and smooth login, click on Continue with Google. This option allows for a convenient way to sign in without remembering another password. Selecting this will require you to choose the Google account you want to use, so make sure you select the account associated with your scheduling. After successfully logging in, it's time to dive into the main event. Managing your appointments. Click on the calendar link provided. This is where you can see your entire schedule at a glance. The design of the calendar is visually appealing and designed for ease of use, allowing you to quickly get an overview of your appointments. Next up, let's create a new appointment. Click on a time slot in your calendar. This action is intuitive, just select the time you or your client prefers. This flexibility is one of Acuity's strengths, allowing you to customize your availability. After selecting a time slot, you'll be prompted to add an appointment type. Here you can specify the nature of the appointment. Acuity allows for detailed customizations, ensuring that both you and your client know exactly what the meeting is for. Moving on, it's time to add the date and time for your appointment. This step is crucial for obvious reasons and ensures that all specifics are accurate. Double check the details to ensure everything is correct, as this minimizes confusion and no-shows. Next, let's personalize the appointment by adding the client's name. Doing so adds a personal touch and helps in keeping your schedule organized. Remember, a personal approach can make a big difference in client satisfaction and retention. Finally, after reviewing all the details and ensuring everything is to your liking, click on Schedule Appointment. This is the moment where everything solidifies, and your appointment is officially set and ready to go. Acuity Scheduling offers a robust platform that simplifies managing appointments, but familiarizing yourself with its features can further enhance your scheduling efficiency. Use these steps as a guide to get started, and remember, like any new tool, there might be a small learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you need a refresher, and remember, Acuity is designed to make your life easier, so exploring all its features can be incredibly beneficial. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on how to use Acuity scheduling effectively. Whether you're coordinating with clients, setting up meetings, or managing personal appointments, Acuity can handle it all, making your life a bit easier and a lot more organized.